6th grade on-level math, Unit 19, summative operations with rational numbers. Number 1. Determine the sum negative 11 3/5 plus 4 2/3. A. 7 1/15. B. Negative 7 1/15. C. 6 14/15. D. Negative 6 14/15. Number 2. Determine the difference 34 7/10 minus negative 8 6/10. A. Negative 43 3/10. B. 43 3/10. C. 26 1/10. D. Negative 26 1/10. Number 3. Which number sentence represents the model? A. Negative 2 1/2 plus 3 1/4 equals 1/4. B. Negative 2 1/2 plus 3 1/4 equals 3/4. C. Negative 2 1/2 minus 3 1/4 equals 3/4. D. 2 1/2. D. 2 1/2 plus 3 1/4 equals 3/4. Number 4. Determine the sum negative 43 38/100 plus negative 24 6/10. A. 70 98/100. B. Negative 70 98/100. C. Negative 21 78/100. D. Negative 48 84/100. Number 5. Which property is used in the equation 7 1/8 minus 6 3/4 plus 9 1/4 equals 7 1/8 plus negative 6 3/4 plus 9 1/4? A. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. B. Commutative property of addition. C. Associative property of addition. D. Associative property of multiplication. Number 6. Determine the value of the following expression. Negative 3 1/3 times 1 5/6. A. Negative 6 1/9. B. Negative 3 5/18. C. 3 5/18. D. 6 1/9. Number 7. Which expression results from using the distributive property of multiplication over addition to simplify 4.7 negative 8.9 plus 2.6? A. 4.7 11.5. B. 4.7 negative 8.9 plus 2.6. C. 4.7 negative 8.9 plus 4.7 2.6. D. 4.7 negative 6.3. Number 8. Which expression represents the amount of material Y that would be left over if X pieces of wood that are 6 1/5 inches long are cut from a board that is 64 inches long? A. Y equals 64 minus 6 1/5 X. B. Y equals 64X minus 6 1/5. C. X equals 64y minus 6 1/5. D. X equals 64 minus 6 and 1/5 x. Number 9. Which expression results from using the commutative property of addition to simplify 9 and 5/6 plus negative 6 and 2/3 plus 8 and 1/6? A. 9 and 5/6 minus 8 and 1/6 plus 6 and 2/3. B. 6 and 2/3 plus negative 9 and 5/6 plus 8 and 1/6. C. Negative 6 and 2/3 plus negative 9 and 5/6 plus 8 and 1/6. D. 9 and 5/6 plus 8 and 1/6 plus negative 6 and 2/3. Number 10. Which expression is equivalent to negative 3/5 divided by negative 4 and 5/6? A. Negative 3/5 times negative 29/6. B. Negative 3/5 times negative 6/29. C. Negative 5/3 times negative 29/6. D. Negative 5/3 times negative 6/29. Number 11. Evaluate 11 1/2 plus negative 4 2/3 x for x equals 6. A. Negative 17 1/2. B. Negative 16 1/2. C. 36 1/6. D. 39 1/2. Number 12. Which expression has the same value as 160 divided by negative 5? A. Negative 96 divided by negative 3. B. 20 times 1.6. C. 2.5 times negative 16. D. Negative 1/2 times 64. Number 13. Which expression results from using the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction to simplify negative 9.1, negative 4, minus 9.1, 12? A. 9.1, negative 4 plus 12. B. Negative 9.1, negative 4 plus 12. C. 9.1, negative 4 minus 12. D. 9.1, negative 9.1, 4 minus 12. Number 14. Determine the value of negative 14.1 times negative 7.33. A. Negative 1033.53. B. Negative 103.353. C. 103.353. D. 1033.53. Number 15. Evaluate negative 1 1/5 x minus 6 5/8 for x equals 5/6. A. Negative 8 1/8. B. Negative 7 5/8. C. Negative 6 5/8. D. Negative 5 5/8. Number 16. Determine the value of negative 35.742 divided by 6.9. A. Negative 5.18. B. Negative 0.518. C. 0.518. D. 5.18.